the ball appears in the bag. Now for the hard part, making it disappear. Same thing, you shake the bag, you turn it inside out, you say the same magic words, abracadabra, thus plus bilious, zibibi, balloon, and the ball is back in the bag. Once again, you make a candle. You don't believe me, sir?
No.
Give me a...
You gotta watch that.
Sorry. All right.
I believe you.
Reach in. Feel around. Anything in there?
Not empty.
Well, I'll tell you what. Everybody gets a feel on this hat. But let me tell you, you're wrong. You know why?
There's a ball in there.
Because the ball is in the bag the whole time.
Hey! All right.
Let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
Where do they get town like this out of season?
At the
One more
hole.
try. I'll place the ball back in the bag. Feel that it's in the bag.
It's in the bag.
It's there.
It's there.
Watch this.
It's gone. Oh shit.
What do you think it's under the arm? No,
Yeah.
it's not under the arm.
All right.
I do that to add to the confusion, create the loud applause, because the ball is in the bag the whole time.
All right. Ho!
You've been pretty nice to me.
What
So
you-
I'll tell you what, I'm going to teach you how this trick's done. Okay? It's all known as palming. When I place the ball in the bag, I palm it out like this. Naturally, I don't show the hand like this. I turn it like this so you can't see it. Now when I go in there, I make the spell's move of putting the ball in the arm. Everybody's so busy watching there, they fail to realize the ball goes in the pocket.
Okay.
Pretty sharp. Where
Very
are you
nice.
from?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. All right, I'll put it back in the bag for you, sir. All right. Take the bag. We shake the bag. We turn it inside out. Let's face it. After 18 holes of golf, you would have little use for a golf ball.
True.
So at the 19th hole, you take the same bag. Feel it it's there again. Thank you for waking me again. All right. You turn the bag inside out. You say the magic words, abracadabra, thus plus bilious, zibibi babaloo. And at the 19th hole, you no longer have a use for a golf ball. What would you do if you won?
I don't know.
If these questions are tough, let me know.
Tough.
What would you do if you won?
I don't know. I'm a senior citizen. I forgot.
Senior citizen,
Yeah.
I'm older than you.
I'm just big for my age.
Alright, we shake that bag one more time. Let's get it out. It's a bigger ball.
Nah.
Actually, you wouldn't have a bigger ball. If you won the tournament, what would you do?
Get two bigger balls.
No. You would celebrate, sir, with...
All right. Yeah, baby.
Let me say one thing. I may
Salud.
not be the happiest person in town when I finish, or the cleverest, but I could be one of the happiest. Cheers.
Salud.
All right.
Salud.
Okay.
Is it short?
What?
Is it short?
I get the bill. Okay. I need help from somebody here who trusts me, who may like something that I've done.
This man right here.
Okay, sir. Would you happen to have the loan of a large bill that I may borrow? I don't mean one from MasterCard, your local utility company, U.S. currency money, a 5, a 10. We haven't got all night.
Wow.
What's your first name?
Wow.
Dan. Would you like to put your name on this bill? Should you ever see it again, you'll recognize it. I'll tell you what, Dan, here, I got a pen. I got these at my bank last week. They were giving them out last Thursday. You too?
He's got a chain. I
All
like
right.
that. I like that.
Sign that bill.
I hope he's okay because he hit that corner hard. Oh, man.
Folks,
Came
can
so
you
quick
see
I
that
couldn't correct.
signature?
I couldn't.
Can you see the signature?
Yes, sir.
All right, watch closely. I'm going to fold the bill in half. How many pieces does he now have?
Half.
How many pieces?
I don't know.
None.
That's right, because I haven't ripped it yet. If I rip it on the folds, how many pieces does he have?
4.
Quick.
4.
It would be 4 if I ripped it. One more time, if I
8.
did it. I didn't ask you yet.
All right.
8. I tell you what, I don't know if math is the subject of this group. So let's do something else.
Right.
All right? We're going to give him back his bill.
I think he broke his finger. His hand's all fucked up.
Oh, he hit it hard.
You're not buying that, huh?
He's hurting. He's
All right,
got
so
to hurt.
watch
yeah.
close.
Black
I'll
and
do it
blue.
real quick.
I think
The
he's
quicker
drinking
you
cocaine.
watch, the less you see. Because 1,
He missed
2,
2 steps.
3, and
Ho! Look at Jägermeister on it. Now it's a 10. Oh, you got a 10 now. Look at this. All right.
give him a round of
Ho!
applause. Thank you, folks.
Very nice.
Warning,
He'd have ER.
warning.